Are you looking for kidney-friendly meals that are both nutritious and scientifically supported? Let's explore 3 healthy combos for kidney disease. First, pair low-sodium vegetables with lean protein. For example, zucchini sautéed with herbs and lean turkey. According to the National Kidney Foundation, low-sodium diets reduce fluid retention and lower blood pressure, protecting kidney function. Second, flavor with fresh herbs and olive oil instead of salt. Studies show olive oil contains healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and benefit kidney health. Third, snack on a fresh apple with unsweetened almond butter. Apples are low in potassium and high in fiber, aiding digestion and reducing toxin buildup, as highlighted by the American Kidney Fund. These scientifically backed combos are easy, delicious, and support kidney health. Try them today for a healthier tomorrow.